oven.
Look at that brake dust that's coming off from there, Benj.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That's excess brake dust. And we can get our little nuts and guts. Good morning, guys, and welcome back. So today I want to show you how to clean excessive brake dust from your wheels. Now, Mercedes, pretty much all European cars are notorious for heavy brake dust. You can see that this section here is supposed to be chrome and everything else is matte. These black areas are actually gloss black instead of matte black, as you'll see in a second. And all the Mercedes logos are chrome as well as the barrels and stuff. Now, there's a few products I really recommend for cleaning excess brake dust, which the main one is the Bowden's Down and Dirty. Also removing heavy dirt, especially dirt around painted areas, inside of wheel wells and wheels. It's non-corrosive, pH neutral, and won't, some of like the ones that are more corrosive will leave kind of like a residue on the brakes, kind of like a rusty sort of thing after you wash them. It's hard to explain if you haven't seen it before. This won't leave that, which is awesome. The other thing I will use as well is their wax wash, also pH neutral. It's got a little bit of Canuba wax in as well, with a nice little shine on the paint and on the wheels, and cause your wheel bracket. We've got our barrel cleaner, we've got our normal face brush, and we've also got our little brush as well to get into all the lug nuts and stuff like that. Now we've got a cap full of the wash wax in there as well, so we can sizz that up, and we use our pressure washer. Now, it's more important to use a pressure washer when you're doing this rather than a hose. It actually gets a lot of the excess dirt off a lot easier than just using a garden hose. So this is full, so give it a couple big shakes and just a nice squirt on the face. Now, majority of the time when you're using a more of a corrosive one, like their wheel cleaner, Bowden's wheel cleaner, it turns purple, and that's the brake dust kind of breaking down. This won't do that. This is more kind of like a dirt remover rather than wheel cleaner, but I prefer using this on wheels. This actually breaks down dirt. Excess dirt if you've got four-wheel drive, great for cleaning wheels, tyres, stuff like that. And this gets your tyres in more of like a factory look, and it removes a lot more dirt. You can see it kind of going brown at the moment, and that's all the dirt being removed off. So now you can get your wheel barrel brush.
Can we do that, Daddy?
Yeah, you can do it for me in a second if you want. And then you can get your face brush, do the top of the wheel down. You can see all the dirt. Look at all that dirt coming off. And then you can see it just kind of really getting off.
This is very yucky.
Very yucky, very dirty.
And that is really yucky.
I try not to use too much of a hard brush. This is nice and soft, so I won't actually scratch a gloss painted wheel. Some of the other ones we've got are better, like this one is better for four-wheel drives. It's more of a harder bristle brush, but it will scratch a gloss painted surface, so it's better to use a softer brush, just to protect the wheel so you don't scratch it.
Why?
Why? If you scratch it, then you've got to polish it later on, and we're trying to avoid...
Buy another car.
No, we won't buy another car.
Then we can oven.
Look at that brake dust that's coming off from there, Benj.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That's excess brake dust. And we can get our little nuts and guts brush, which is good for inside the middle of the wheels and all our...
Ow.
Yep, and then we get our pressure washer. I'll do the first one, okay, and you can do the second one. Look at all that. It's all the brake dust coming off. Delicious. There we go, and then we're left with a nice shiny wheel. You can go along. Yep, you want to go? There you go. Look at all that brake dust. Now the other thing I use as well to make cleaning process of European cars or just wheels in general is Wet Dreams. We'll add like kind of almost like a ceramic coating to the paint, which will deter dirt, brake dust and all that sort of stuff, which will make the cleaning process afterwards much easier. So all you do, very easy to use, turn it on, give it a couple shakes, spray on, and then press wash it off. And now that's left a protective barrier on the wheel that's going to make it a lot easier for next time when you're on the cleanup. It'll make the process so much easier. It's just going to add that little bit of a protective layer to the paint, whether you can use it on your paint, windows, everything on it. We've used it on this paint before. You can see how the water's beating. You can use that on wheels, brakes, everything. It's very good, very easy. All this stuff can be bought from Super Cheap Auto, Repco, or online as well. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. You can see how much brake dust has come off into our hands. So hopefully this video has helped you guys removing brake dust and cleaning your wheels on European cars with excess brake dust. The boys are over there trying to clean, I'm not sure what. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.